welcome to IFA Berlin, everyone. So we're gonna cover some cool stuff, and as you can see, yeah, the event will be huge. So I'm so happy to show you all about it. That is awesome! And it did beat me right. It is a pleasure to be here today. How cute are those? So remember, like and subscribe or follow for more.
MadTechTalk, tech so fly. Breaking down gear, let's amplify. Sub like, don't miss a thing. Tech reviews with a little bling. We out for now, but stay tuned. More fire tech is dropping soon.